Experience a stellar lineup of new rifles that are setting the shooting world ablaze. From the classic elegance of the Marlin 336 to the precision powerhouse of the fierce Firearms Carbon Rogue, these rifles are redefining accuracy and performance. Each rifle brings something unique to the table, promising an exhilarating shooting experience like never before. Marlin 336 Classic. Marlin 336 Classic, a timeless masterpiece that defies the trends of modern rifles, has re-emerged as the unexpected champion of accuracy and long-range performance. This lever-action rifle, tracing its roots back to 1893, is now firing the iconic .30-30 Win cartridge introduced in 1895, proving that classics never go out of style. In a surprising turn of events, Ruger has taken up the reins, producing these new marvels in North Carolina, breathing new life into this age-old design. The fit and finish of the Marlin 336 Classic are nothing short of extraordinary, with impeccable woodwork, flawless metal polish, and exquisite bluing, leaving all in awe of its captivating appearance. Beyond its alluring looks, the Marlin 336 excels in handling and balance, effortlessly shouldering and pointing with precision. As we put it through its paces, we were pleasantly surprised by its accuracy, defying the conventions of lever-action rifles in .30-30 caliber. It's no wonder we deemed it the finest to carry the iconic Marlin bullseye logo. But that's not all. The Marlin 336 Classic offers unbeatable value, a rare gem in today's market. Although demand currently outstrips supply, the wait is worth it for this classic beauty. For those with an affinity for the .35 Remington, rejoice, for Marlin will be reintroducing the 336 chambered in this beloved cartridge as well. And who knows, there may even be a thrilling surprise with the new 360 Buckhammer chambering in the future. Mossberg Patriot LR Tactical. Mossberg Patriot LR Tactical, a precision rifle that's set to revolutionize the long-range shooting game. Building upon the success of its predecessors, Mossberg has crafted a masterpiece that blends the reliability of the Patriot action with the cutting-edge chassis stock and heavy barrel. The Mossberg Patriot LR Tactical has left shooters and hunters alike exhilarated, earning a prestigious Great Buy Award in the precision rifle category. And it's no wonder why. This rifle packs a punch in both accuracy and handling. Boasting jaw-dropping precision, it delivered the tightest group in testing. A mind-blowing .247-inch 5-shot group, courtesy of Editor-in-Chief Alex Robinson, with Federal 140-grain Berger hybrids. In the field, the rifle's prowess continues to shine, defying its 8.75-pound weight to maneuver with ease during practical shooting evaluations. Featuring a 2-lug bolt action, a synthetic chassis stock, and chambered in the beloved 6.5 Creedmoor, this rifle is purpose-built for excellence. The AICS pattern magazines it uses come in various capacities and are readily available, making reloads seamless with the effective paddle magazine release. Adjustable for cheek height and boasting a comfortable vertical grip, the stock offers unparalleled control and stability. The aggressive texturing on the grip ensures a firm hold, while the M-LOK compatible accessory slots allow for endless customization options. Stevens 334 Walnut. Stevens 334 Walnut, the dark horse of the rifle test that defies all expectations. Hailing from Turkey, this basic woodstock bolt action may not catch your eye at first glance, but once you experience its performance, you'll be blown away. With a modest price tag of $489, you might not anticipate any ballistic magic from this rifle. Yet once the trigger is pulled, you'll be in for a jaw-dropping surprise. The 5-pound, 10-ounce trigger, though slightly mushy, delivers accuracy that will leave you speechless. Its 5-shot groups consistently average less than 3/4 minute of angle, outshining even the most expensive rifles in the test. It's the epitome of accuracy, surpassing all expectations. But the Stevens 334 Walnut doesn't stop there. Its charm extends to other delightful features. The 3-position safety ensures secure handling, while the polymer single-stack magazine easily holds 3 rounds of 6.5 Creedmoor, though it's also available in .308 Win and .243 Win. The 3-lug design, with its smooth 60-degree bolt lift, operates effortlessly from the shoulder. Equipped with a convenient Picatinny rail that runs the full length of the action, mounting an optic becomes a breeze. This rifle's versatility and precision make it a true gem for hunters and shooters alike. CVA Cascade XT CVA Cascade XT, a true game changer among this year's new rifles. As part of the Cascade family, it stands out with its large diameter, 3-lug bolt, and easy-to-use 2-position safety, promising a seamless shooting experience. Built with longer-distance hunting in mind, this rifle boasts a sturdy number: 5 contour barrel, dual swivel studs on the forend, a radial muzzle brake, and a user-adjustable trigger. While it may not boast elegance, the CVA Cascade XT hits the bullseye for its intended purpose, delivering accurate shots at extended ranges. And it doesn't stop there. The rifle's clever weight distribution, well-designed stock, and effective muzzle brake ensure you can unleash countless rounds without taking a beating. Featuring a polymer double-stack magazine that holds 4 rounds of 6.5 Creedmoor, this rifle is a breeze to load, insert, and remove. Its open bridge action configuration enables easy top-loading of the magazine when it runs dry, keeping you in the game without missing a beat. The synthetic camo stock is not just eye-catching. Its tacky rubber-like texture and effective checkering on the forend and grip provide a secure and confident grip, ensuring this rifle won't slip from your hands even in the most demanding conditions. The CVA Cascade XT, a rifle that defies expectations and delivers unparalleled accuracy at longer distances. With its sleek design, smooth action, and flawless performance, this rifle promises an exhilarating hunting experience like no other. Fierce Firearms Carbon Rogue. Fierce Firearms Carbon Rogue, the ultimate semi-custom mountain rifle that defies challenges and delivers unmatched performance. Based in Redmond, Utah, Fierce Firearms has a stellar reputation for crafting top-tier lightweight big-game rigs that excel in any conditions. And this year's new addition, the Carbon Rogue, has taken the hunting world by storm with its impressive features and affordable price tag of $2,199. The fit and finish of the Carbon Rogue are truly superb, with meticulous attention to detail evident in every aspect. From the hinged floor plate magazine that sits flush with the stock to the seamless barrel channel gap, this rifle exudes elegance and precision. While the 6.5 PRC sample displayed good accuracy at 1.033 inches, it was the overall design that truly wowed us. The stock, with its moderate grip swell, won the hearts of most judges, offering exceptional control and handling. The cleverly integrated Picatinny rail in the forend allows for quick attachment of a bipod, ensuring steady shooting in a flash. With a nimble 6-pound 4-ounce empty weight, the Carbon Rogue remains highly portable without compromising stability. During dynamic drills, it proved to be steady and responsive, impressing us with its performance. Chambered in a range of cartridges from the .22 Creedmoor to the .300 PRC, the Carbon Rogue caters to every hunter's needs, making it the perfect companion for any big-game adventure. With its carbon fiber stock, spiral fluted bolt, dual ejectors, and expertly designed extractor, the Carbon Rogue is a rifle built for excellence. It effortlessly handles extraction and ejection of empties, ensuring a smooth and reliable shooting experience. That's all for this video.